Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce the Easy Boost 350 V2. I will show you all the details. Look at the toe and the shoelace and the inside. Button and another one. There is a tag. Okay, if you want to buy the Easy Boost, you can contact me on my website or Instagram. See you later. Bye bye.